Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to download theme for Windows 10. So firstly click on Start menu. Now click on this gear icon for settings. Now click on Personalization. Now click on Themes. Here is the option Apply a theme. Get more themes in store. Click this icon. New window will open. Maximize Windows themes. Put your personality into your Windows desktop. Explore dazzling wallpapers, sounds, accent colors, and more cool customization. Select any themes and wallpaper which you like. If you like any theme, so click this one. Now click on Get. Now sign in your account. Now you will see download is the start. So this method you can download theme for Windows 10. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.